Chief Enterprise Architect for Bristol City Council. I guess we can start, so our transformation approach then has kind of built over the last 3 or 4 years, and intensified in the last 6 months. But 3 or 4 years ago when we started to look at transformation, we realised that we had to start thinking about a kind of open approach to architecture, and that was through open data and open standards and open source.
Oxfam is a global confederation made of 17 independent organizations working together to fight the injustice of poverty. Oxfam built an internet using Drupal 6 as a way to have collaboration across the organization, and then added the part of Alfresco to improve the way we manage documents and the way we can provide critical information to our users.
I think people increasingly expect councils like Bristol to be implementing social media and networking and an experience that they're used to from things like Facebook and Twitter and Google Plus and so forth, and they expect that kind of ease of use of the web front end. They expect that connectedness and that way of being able to interact. So, I mean, essentially Alfresco's role in the council is to provide that kind of open document management system, records management system and team collaboration space, and that has helped us to become more efficient about the way that we move documents around the organisation. It's freed us from being in particular physical locations to access those documents. It's allowed us to remove paper from processes like meetings, and that sort of stack of paper that had to be printed out, brought to a meeting and then thrown away has been just taken away completely. So that saved time, it's saved energy, it's carbon reduction in the long run. So Alfresco's role is to have supported all of those things by giving us the tool that we need to be more digital in our everyday working.
The choice to use Drupal and Alfresco is because there is an incredible amount of value in Drupal as a front end and as a collaboration system. It has been built for that, so it's very, very strong in that direction, but it's not there for document management. Alfresco is the perfect supplement for that because it was born as a document management solution, added additional functions to make it even better, and the two systems can talk to each other very effectively, and so that gives the best of both worlds.
Yeah, so working with Zaizi has been it's been a pleasure. There's a great team of people who are really passionate about Alfresco and constantly trying to think of ways to help us kind of get the best out of it and suggesting new ways of using it. I think also one of the first reasons we got involved with Zaizi was because of Alfresco's own, Alfresco the company's recommendation about Zaizi's quality. And obviously we know that through the fact that you guys are kind of won awards as part of the partner network from Alfresco. So I think we've used Zaizi on a number of occasions, and every time we felt the expertise they bring to the project has been really well worth their involvement, and they've helped us to become more successful basically in the work we've done.
Zaizi has been following us since the very beginning, has provided an incredible level of support, and has been following us well beyond what I would reasonably expect, and have been helping a lot to the project. The reason why we have it is because they committed to it.